Welcome to our tutorial about center lines and center marks. First, let's go to the Drawing Annotation panel. The first tool I want to look at is Center Line. With this tool, we manually set up a center line. Okay, let's undo that. The next tool we're going to check out is Center Mark. I'm going to select this circle, and here is our center mark. Let's undo that. The next tool is called Centered Pattern. First, we select an object that the center will patter around. The second object, third, fourth, and let's select the first object again. Right-click, Create, right-click, and Done. Let's undo that and move on to the next tool. Let's go to the Drawing Views panel and create a top view. Projected View, right-click, Create, and back to the Drawing Annotation panel. The last tool I want to look at in this tutorial is Centerline Bisector. I'll select this line and this line, and as you see, the center line has been created. Let's try this line and this line. There's another center line bisector. This concludes our tutorial about center lines and center marks.